Yes, right? So, what is internet first? Who can tell me?
It's a network of networks.
Yes, that's exactly correct. It's just a network of networks, right? But we have different networks. For example, like PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. Also, like we kind of like wireless networks or those kind of things. So there are differences in the networks. For example, we have like different services in the like networking layers. We have addressing, we have broadcasting, we have like different packet size, maximum packet size, and etc. So now we have different networks. So how can we connect those networks together? So let's see. And there are like two basic ways we can connect different networks. First is we can just build different devices can connect those different networks. Or like good computer scientists, as like our teacher, and can build like common layers and on like different networks. That means every different networks can connect with common layers. And early on, Surf and Kach, and like it's around like 1974, argued for like common layers to hide the difference of existing networks. It was like IP network. And after 40 years, the IP is the foundation of the internet. So IT provides a universal packet format that all routers recognize and send and receives packets. So IP, also like IP protocol works on like different networks. For example, like telephone networks or like sensor networks, or it could be like more like smaller networks which can understand also like IP. So until today, and we talked about like different types of devices, hubs, switches, and routers, and etc. So in this particular session, we are talking about more focused on the routers. So how routers can pass packet with each other. Let's focus on the picture on the screen. So we have three types of network now, and like first one is like wireless network, another one is MPLS network, other one is like Ethernet network. So I would like to send one packet from source to the destination. So first, from the source, it sends the packet to MPLS. So MPLS gets the like frames, and then it gets our packets and removes the like wireless networks header and encapsulates to MPLS frames. Then again, it's sent to the like other the router, which is like Ethernet network, and it repeats the same thing again and again. So in the router can understand a different network protocols, because now we have common network protocol which is called IP, but there are like different networks, for example IPX, SNA, and also like AppleTalk networks. So now we have like different types of protocols, and how can we connect one protocol to another protocol and pass the data between them? We use tunneling. That means, for example, we have a network in Paris which uses IP version 6, and also in London we use also IP version 6. And those networks connected with different networks, which is IP version 4. So if I want to send packet from Paris to London, and IP version packet 6 goes to like IP version 4, but IP version 4 doesn't do anything with its IP version 6 packets. Instead of that, it just encapsulates that packet and send it to like other router. And end of the router and IP version 6, the router gets that, and it's just sending that IP version 6 the packet to that's a London network. So it was just a simple example. And so now we have networks, right? So in networks, we have like routing algorithms. We have two levels of routing algorithms. First one is like intra-domain routing algorithm. Another one is inter-domain routing algorithm. Also, there is one and there is also like every individual network's called autonomous system, which means like it works independently than other networks. Sometimes we call it usually like autonomous system, but you can understand it's like an ISP. But ISP can have more than AS, more than one AS. It could be like 10 AS, something like that. So intra-domain network, routing network, like algorithm works in one AS, only one that particular network. But inter-domain networks connect two AS, more than like two AS. Then it becomes internet. So while we are passing the packets, there is like one problem, because like every network has its own maximum packet size. Because of that reason, we have packet fragmentation. The packet fragmentation is just so simple. It's just like if we have like bigger packets, we just need to split it like into smaller packets. And we have two types of fragmentation. First one is called transparent fragmentation. Another one is called like non-transparent fragmentation. And now we have like beautiful and mobile application which is described as something really cool, and one of our team members will show you.